And the third expression of number 0 is, in daily life, we sometimes get to say the number which is smaller than number 1. So when we write it down, it's 0 point blah blah blah. In Chinese, we say the same. So if it's 0.1, we say 0.1. If it's 0.2, then we say 0.2. If it's 0.3, we say 0.3. If it's 0.4, 0.5, we say 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Alright, this is how to express the number which is smaller than 1. So 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, we say.